In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google toolbar from disappearing. If you found yourself frustrated with the Google toolbar hiding away, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can happen for various reasons, but fortunately it's something we can address pretty easily. Let's start by opening your Google browser. This is your first step into reclaiming that elusive toolbar. Once you're in your browser, take a look at the upper right corner. You'll notice three dots lined up vertically. These three dots act as your gateway to a variety of settings and customizations. When you click on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear before you, presenting several options. What we want to focus on today is the settings option within this drop-down. So go ahead and click on settings. This section is like the command center for your browser. Here you can adjust many of the features that control your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the section that says appearance. Clicking on appearance is going to bring up a few key options that will help us solve our disappearing toolbar problem. The appearance settings control how your browser looks, including elements like themes and fonts. But what we're particularly interested in here are the options related to the visibility of certain toolbar elements. Now, within the appearance section, you'll want to look for something that says show bookmarks bar, amongst other similar options. Ensuring that Show Bookmarks bar is toggled on is crucial for keeping your toolbar where it should be. The moment you toggle this option on, you should notice an immediate effect. Your toolbar should stabilize and persist across your browsing sessions. If you followed these steps and toggled on the option as described, you should now consistently see your Google toolbar, along with your bookmarks and other useful tools whenever you launch your browser. A little tip for those who want to customize further, the appearance settings are also where you can experiment with different themes, or adjust the zoom level for better readability, so don't hesitate to explore. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully set your Google toolbar to stay put, making your browsing experience more streamlined and user-friendly. I hope this guide has been helpful to you, and if you have any further questions or need more tips, feel free to explore our other videos for more browser management advice. Thank you for watching. Happy browsing.